In the world of adornments, few pieces capture the imagination quite like dangling earrings, but what makes them so irresistibly popular? Our fascination with these elegant accessories is as old as civilization itself. From the gold and gemstone encrusted ornaments of ancient Egypt to the intricate designs of the Renaissance, dangling earrings have been a symbol of status, beauty, and personal expression through the ages. The magic of dangling earrings lies in their movement. As they sway with your every step, they draw attention to the neck and shoulders, enhancing your natural grace and poise. Indeed, it's this delicate dance that captivates onlookers, creating a mesmerizing effect that's both alluring and enchanting, but their appeal isn't just in their movement. Dangling earrings serve as a canvas for creativity, offering endless possibilities in design, material, and style. Whether they're sleek, silver statement classics adorned with elegant European crystals, or bold, dramatic statement pieces that call to you, there's a pair for every occasion, mood, and personality. In the end, the popularity of dangling earrings isn't just about fashion or tradition, it's about self-expression. They are a statement, a way to stand out, and a means to tell the world who we are without saying a word. So whether you're dressing up for a night out or simply accentuating your everyday style, consider the timeless charm of dangling earrings. After all, in the symphony of style, they are the melody that never fades.